Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Xano List video. In this video, I want to show you a really simple way to start fundraising with crypto using CoinDonor.com. So if you run a cause, project, charity, or a community campaign, CoinDonor lets you accept crypto donations directly to your own wallet. So it's non-custodial, and you keep full control of your funds. So it supports major cryptocurrencies, including Xano, FUSD, and Monero and Zcash. And a really nice feature is that it can automatically detect Xano and FUSD donations. So as they come in, they're automatically going to be added to the donation amount. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up and start accepting crypto donations with CoinDonor. So if you head on over to CoinDonor.com, you're going to see a Get Started button here. Just go ahead and click that. As you see, you're going to see create your account. Just enter these decals and go ahead and create your account. And they've kindly given me a 50% code. If you use code XANOLIST, you're going to get 50% discount off your yearly subscription. So as you can see, I am now in the CoinDonor dashboard, and I need to go ahead and add a wallet to my campaign. So if I go ahead and click this, I can then see a list of the major cryptocurrencies I can accept. For this, we go on to use Xano, so I'm going to go ahead and click Xano here. And as you can see, I need to enter my wallet address. So let me go ahead and get that and paste that in right here. Then to enable auto balance detection, I need to enter my private view key. So I already have that here, which is going to enter right there. And how do I get the view key? I can simply click this button here, and it's going to show me how to get it on the Xano app or the Bitcoin.com app. So I'm just going to show you now quickly on the mobile app. You can go ahead and click the wallet in the top right corner, and then click copy secret key right there. For the Bitcoin.com app, again, open your wallet here, click Xano, and you can see an option here called wallet information, and then it's going to give you the private view key. And that is what is needed to enable auto balance detection. Now I'm going to enable FUSD. So I'm going to enable these as well, which are basically wrapped Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BCH on the Xano network. So now I'm going to click Add 5 wallets, and 5 wallets have been added successfully, as you can see here. This is now all completed. Now, if I go to the top right, I can then click Embed Code. I can go ahead and customize this. This is what it currently looks like. I can customize it. I can change the size, medium size, or the large size. For this, I'm going to go with the medium size. I'm going to allow the layout to be a goal as well. So if I'm going to fundraise a goal of, say, $10,000, I can go ahead and do that. I can also list on the CoinDonor directory. So it's going to show up in the causes tab here. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. As you can see, it's now going to do a podium and a goal. If I click goal here, as you can see it, or I can select both. It's just going to display both podiums and the goal raised so far. Then what I can do is collect the donor information as well. So this basically adds a form when you make a donation. If I go like here, you can also add a private note here, an email address, and a note to the donor. Then what I need to do is copy the code here or download it. I can copy the clipboard or download it here, and then I can basically embed it on my website to start accepting donations. Obviously, you can change this to a dark theme as well by clicking this, and it's now a dark theme. To get my contacts, I can go ahead and click this, and basically a list of contacts that have entered their email address will show up here as well. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys want to launch your own campaign and start fundraising using Xano and other cryptocurrencies, use code XANOLIST to get 50% off your first campaign. Thank you guys.